Hello, hello. Today the time is right, so we'll be sowing biennials together.
So today we are only sowing Sweet William, wallflower, red bedder, and also some Canterbury bells. And these are just a few of the biennials that you can sow now. You can start from mid-June, but I didn't get around to it just yet. Oh, it's quite windy. So I will sow all of these now, and like that I still have time. If I see they don't germinate, I can still re-sow them later on, even in August, September, and then they will be planted out. I'm thinking to plant them out probably, if they, well, provided that they germinate well, I'll plant them out probably end of August, beginning of September, depending on the size. And these, most of the biennials are actually plants that are not naturally made to survive in winter. So it's best for them to plant them out 1 year and sow them 1 year and then plant them out later on. Then they will be flowering the next year. Basically, for those of you that don't know what biennial is, it is a plant that its life cycle is basically 2 years. So the first year you sow it, germinates, it works throughout the winter and autumn and spring on growing proper roots, a little bit of leaves, and then it overwinters, and then obviously in the spring starts growing again, and it provides flowers the next summer. I will be planting more. I definitely want to do some foxgloves, different kinds, and probably more Sweet Williams, Sweet Rocket as well. Definitely I want to do pink and white because it's really good for flowers and also for drying the seed heads. So let me just quickly show you. I have these cell trays prepared with labels on already and the date. I put water in, so they are just getting moist because I don't want to be watering from the top. I'd rather for the soil to soak up all the moisture rather than to disturb the seeds. So I'll just pop the seeds in, put them in, cover a little bit for those ones that need to be covered, and yeah, put the dome on top, leave it on for a couple of days. I'll probably leave it either indoors or in the greenhouse, and then when they start germinating I'll just take the dome out and just let them do their business. Obviously don't let them dry out, and yeah, when the time is right, as I said, probably end of August, September, I will plant them out and let them do their work over the autumn, winter and spring, and hopefully they will survive and they won't get munched on with the slugs and snails. But yeah, let me go back to the seeds and I will sow them quickly and then show you when I'm done. These are the Sweet William seeds. They're quite small, not the tiniest, so they won't need too much of covering. So I will just plop them on the soil, and as I said, I probably will plant all of them. There is a little bit more in the packet. Actually, I'll half it. I'll do half now, and then I'll see how they germinate. So just spread them on, not too close. This Sweet William goes into this one, so there's no cells. So this seed tray will just be kind of spread it, and if I do need to prick them out and then plant them on later, that's fine. So let me just spread them on quickly. Yeah, so they're on the soil. I'm not sure whether you can actually see them well. Like for example, there is one just right there. You see? So I just kind of spread them out. I'm gonna use this lovely, very high-tech box to just kind of push them in so they have a good contact with the soil. And as I said, because the soil is already moist, I won't have to water. So just put the dome on top and yeah, let it do the job. Yay! So this is it with the dome on. I know it doesn't mean much, but I just wanted to show you. So there is the seeds laying nicely, resting, creating new life. And this is the dome on. So this will just prevent it from drying out, but obviously I will keep an eye, and when I see germination I'll take the dome off so they don't get too damp. Yeah, that's it. And let me just do the rest. Same process, so I'll spare you showing you how to do the rest as well.
I hope you enjoyed the clip. Let me know if you need any help. Also let me know what you are sowing for next year, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.